In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on or off private relay on your iPhone or iPad. This simple yet essential feature can effectively enhance your online privacy experience. So, whether you're updating privacy settings or maybe just exploring more secure browsing options, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to your iCloud settings. To do this, grab your iPhone or iPad and head over to the main screen where all your apps are displayed. Look for the familiar grey gear icon and tap Settings. Once you're in your settings, you'll see your name displayed prominently at the top of the menu. Tap on your name to open up a list of options related to your Apple ID. From here, choose iCloud. This iCloud menu is your gateway to managing services and features related to your Apple account, and it's crucial for accessing Private Relay. Now that you're in the iCloud section, you'll need to find and tap on Private Relay. This is where you can manage the feature directly. If you don't spot it right away, try scrolling down slightly until you find it. Tapping on Private Relay takes you to its specific settings. Here comes the key part, toggling Private Relay on or off. In this menu, you'll see a toggle switch. If the switch is green, that means Private Relay is already enabled. If it's grey, it means it's turned off. Simply tap on the switch to change the status according to your preference. Turning it on will activate extra layers of privacy while you browse, and turning it off will revert settings to their more standard configuration. Once you've toggled the setting to your liking, there's nothing more you need to do in terms of saving changes. Apple has designed this feature to automatically save any modifications you make. You can now simply exit the settings by swiping up to return to your home screen, or pressing the home button, and rest assured your changes have been saved. Lastly, just a quick note about why you might consider using Private Relay. This feature is designed to help keep your browsing history private and secure. It works by sending your internet requests through two separate, secure internet relays. As a result, it encrypts your data and obscures your identity, making it an excellent tool for maintaining privacy in our increasingly digital world. And there you have it. Switching Private Relay on or off on your iPhone or iPad is straightforward and quick. It's a small yet powerful step you can take toward ensuring your online privacy. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks on getting the most out of your devices.